Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Erina from Ring Local Poultry Farm. We are located here in Entebbe. Please contact us.
Wano buli mulimu gunyuma otunula mu maaso gy'olaga nga watangaala. Asiikiriza emikisa gy'okufuna k'omutwalo nga luno olutta abantu. Era munsi omulabewo nga ye nnamba emu yakotogera mu bigambo byenfuna. Tolemera nga waali
all about continuity in business. Continuity in business is key. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for following us, viewing, sharing, and of course commenting. We deal in local chickens and their products. You can call us direct or WhatsApp on 0763799448. For sustainability and continuity, you need to stick around till the end of this video. Now, because this video might help your business, first of all continuity is all about doing something day in, day out, year in, year out, so that your business, the clients of your business can rely on you and know that whenever they need something or a certain product X, they will be able to get it and time from you. So many people enter into business but face so many challenges and find themselves out of business. But if you stabilize and you have to ensure continuity by serving your clients to their expectations, maintaining the quality and also the standards at which you began your business with, don't reach somewhere and you start like diverting, minimizing the quality of foods and then giving out poor quality goods to your clients. They will end up leaving you and going somewhere else. So mind about how many times don't mind about how many times you may be brooding, because it's all about continuity so that your business can be sustainable. You can also, you who is watching you can also target target seasons like Easter and Eid, which are coming next year around I think March or April. This is the time you should book your chicks, maybe for day 1 or 1 month, so that you're prepared to meet your clients.
Toberanga nze yakola ensobi nga ntandika mbuninde enkoko zibiika emyaka 2 then awo mbuludinge parent stock endala mukwano ekyo kikyamu. Zino enkoko gye zikoma okukula ne production yazo ekendeera. Kati bw'olaba ng'enkoko ewezezza omwaka ng'ekuwa amagi, weeteeketeeke obuludinge enkoko endala, kubanga bw'otakikola ezaali zikuwa tray 3 zigenda kutuuka nga zikuweemu zive ku emu otandika 3, 4, 5. Ate in business eyo concept eba tekukolera, so biri binyumyemu bunyumya. Kituufu ejja kubiika naye tejja kuwa kiri ky'oyagala, continuity in production. Ojja kubeerawo ne ka break awo, ate munanga ako kakufiiriza ssente ako koolaba. So weeteeketeeke mu budde. Olaba aba commercial layers mwaka gumu kitundu nga beeteekateeka ku brooding ndala, ate naawe wallo kulinda ki? Continuity in production is key.
Guys are saying you can either book day 1 or 1 month old, so that you be prepared for the season that is coming, Easter and Eid season next year. Anyway, let your clients get you with whatever they want whenever they come to your farms. Don't allow money to go out of your farm by being ever ready to meet any client's needs at the farm. That is, if they need hens, if they need cocks, day 1 old, 1 month old, be ready to serve them.
everything you put your hand go up. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen. Amen. Everything you put your hand go up. Your name go open doors. You self go be a boss. Amen.
Very nice for you to watch. Thank you so much for watching us. God bless you. We are in Local Poultry Farm located here in Entebbe. If you need us, don't hesitate to call us on 0763 791-448. Thank you so much for viewing our videos, liking, subscribing, commenting, and of course sharing. God bless you. We meet in the next video. Happy New Year. Bye.